My name is Lara Mizrak of the award-winning Elaine, Clayman, Justine Bray team at Brown Harris Stevens. Welcome to Plaza 400, a full-service luxury house on the southwest corner of 1st Avenue and 56th Street. With a private rooftop heated swimming pool and sun deck, new state-of-the-art gym, card room, on-site 24-hour attended parking garage with a reduced fee, bike room, and residence lounge events room. Living in Plaza 400 is like living in a 5-star hotel all year round. Today, I would like to show you apartment 27 LM, a huge 3-bedroom, 3-windowed bathroom residence with triple exposures, skyline, and river views. It has the ideal configuration of split bedrooms, 3 distinct reception rooms, as well as endless storage. Please follow me upstairs for a private tour. Everything is here for you to create your very own dream house. The grand foyer has 3 closets, including a walk-in and even a large storage space, complete with an extra fridge. Entertaining friends and loved ones in your huge 32-foot long living room. There's even a built-in bookcase with a bar. You even have your own private terrace high above the city. Imagine drinking your morning coffee or sipping a glass of wine after a long day while you watch the city lights twinkle all around you. Enjoy your formal dining room and host elegant dinner parties. Everyone knows that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and you are guaranteed to absolutely love this generous space where you'll be able to design the ultimate chef's kitchen. Close your eyes and see the kitchen of your dreams. For more informal entertaining, there's a 26-foot long den or media room. The possibilities are endless. The huge master bedroom suite has 3 closets. One is a windowed walk-in. You'll also love having a windowed ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower. Imagine the morning light streaming in through your eastern window as you gently wake in your king-size bed. This large bedroom also offers soothing northern light pouring in from your wall of windows. The second bedroom offers a walk-in closet as well as northern and western views and built-in shelves for extra storage. There's also a linen closet and windowed bathroom just outside. The third bedroom has 2 large closets and a wall of windows facing the East River. Enjoy a windowed ensuite bath and built-in shelves. Opportunity you've been waiting for, so why settle? The bones are here and all this fine combination home needs is your excellent taste. If you are looking for the perfect high floor, large 3-bedroom plus home in Sutton Place, look no further. All of your dreams will be fulfilled in this magnificent space. To see this fine home for yourself, please call Sara Beth Shrager at 212-906-9315. That's 212-906-9315. Thank you. Bye.